Yo, thank you, dog. Hold on, just setting up. Alright, here we go. We're back. More work. Let's go. Alright, where did I leave off? Let's see. I need to do this. I can set this up. Alright, yeah. I think when you walk over to this dude, a screen will pop up with all the Christmas items, and you'll have to. There'll be like a button to give. Yeah, we'll do that. Christmas quest. Really just want this. Ooh, alright. Um, and the image on here. Oops. We're there. Okay. Oh, I don't have my desktop audio on. There we go. Okay. We need to do something like this. Yeah. What do I want the background to be? Ooh, I could use the gradient. I could do a gradient type thing. Just like this, and then the red, green gradient. But then eh. if that's good. Maybe I just go with this. You know, this could just work as is. And then maybe like slightly darker on here than it already is, at least. Yeah. Cool, and then I think each one is gonna have the item, the name of it. Or I could just have the guy talk to you. Um, do this. I think this could work, to be honest. And this button. Or wait. Wrong color. I don't know what I want. Hi, I'm back. Welcome back to the stream. I don't know exactly what I want this to be. Like, hmm. I'm thinking. Multiple of these, right? And then I want a way to like show the prize, I guess. I mean, I guess I could do like something like this. a gear. This like, yeah. Come on, I need to get the color of this. There. Maybe brighter though. And then this. There we go. If you see this UI, would you understand like the concept? Like you have to give all of these. I'm also gonna like have it explain it, right? But like you give these and then like 0 out of 9 snowball launcher gear, like you're getting the gear for giving the items. 9 items or whatever. I just want this like the concept to be understandable. Also, I feel like I should darken this a bit. And this could be a little brighter because of that. No, keep that dark. Still darken this, but not as much. Maybe like that. That could work. Okay, I think this is good. Oh yeah, I gotta add this as like a redeem button. Okay, now to code this. Okay, yeah. Oh, never mind. Yeah. cool. It works. Huh? Why did I just hear that again? What's going on, bruh? Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Dude, I gotta lock in. What am I doing?
Huh?
Mm,
Wow. Hmm. Huh? Whoa. Yeah! Bye! Yeah!
Why don't I use VS Code? Uh, cause I just can't be asked, to be honest. I don't I don't really have a better answer other than it's just simpler to use Studio. And I don't really have a need for it. Like, I understand the benefits to using VS Code. Um, like I get it can have better IntelliSense and like all that, and I could do like a lot of offline work as well. But I just don't need it, I guess. Like I'm perfectly fine using Roblox Studio, and yeah, I don't know. And it's just like simpler, in my opinion, to just hop on Studio and get to work. Also, sometimes I have to make UI or like do various things with like models, and it's just easier and simpler if I just have it all in the same thing instead of having to switch between things or whatever. So yeah, I don't know. Again, I understand the benefits to VS Code, but I just don't really care for it. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. Um, this might be too long of a message. I don't know though. Why does it play that sound? Dude, I'm so bad at streaming. Anyways, well, I know why it plays it. It plays it for the freaking chat, but it's not supposed to. Anyways, yeah, 'cause it's taken down and like there's not really any getting it back. It's kind of just gone. I don't see it coming back ever. I tried everything I could. You can watch my video on it if you haven't seen it. But yeah, it's like not coming back. It's gone. Bob, I'm thinking of like a cheerful snowman, okay? I don't care what you would say. I'm thinking in terms of like the lore of the game or whatever, like a cheerful snowman. And I put wonderful because like, you know, people say like wonderful Christmas or like have a wonderful Christmas, right? Or like I don't know. Instead of like awesome or amazing or whatever, I just felt like wonderful fits Christmas the most. You're not okay. You might be evil, but Snowbert isn't, okay? Snowbert and Bobbert are like two different people. They're like two personalities. D because I have a lot to do. Calm down, bruh. Not callback. It needs to be actually I don't. Okay. Um I want to see how that looks so far. Also, this um I guess I could have a timer. This could be like a timer. Time left until the quest ends or something. I could do that maybe. For now, I'll just put Christmas event. Dude, I don't even know if I'll have this done tonight. That's the thing. I might have to finish it tomorrow, like morning, like last minute. This is bad. Okay, bruh. What's going on? Why is this not loading? I don't know if this is gonna work because like things didn't load properly. Yeah. What's going on? Oh. Hello, forehead. It's not doing the next chat. Why is it not doing the next chat? It's supposed to. That's... Huh? Why does it not do the next chat? Also, Bob, I don't know if you're still here, but I like left for a bit. This isn't the same stream. I don't know if you knew that. But yeah. Okay. Can't hear me. Okay, well turn your headset volume up. That's your problem. Why does this not work? Why doesn't it send the next chat? Okay, bye Bob. Have fun. What's taking so long to... Is it this? It might be that. Does Snowbird not have a humanoid? No, he does. So then... Make him persistent, maybe that's it. No? Okay, well, what? I don't know what's taking so long with this quest controller. Oh. Hi, Bleedy. Welcome to the stream, Bleedy. Bleedy, do you want to be a mod? Okay, well I would mod you, but you're not showing up in the chat on... What the frick? Why are you not showing up there? Bleedy, you're like hidden. Be for real. Oh, I think it's... okay. Here, don't do anything dumb. Well, too late. Um, oops. W. Yeah, I stopped playing Ragga Rivals for this. I gotta work, bruh. My friend responded, by the way. I think he'll play with us, maybe. I'll hop on in a bit. Dude, I don't know why this is happening. Like, I don't know what's delaying this so much. I gotta figure it out. Nah. Cool, and this would have all the things. Might adjust this a bit though.
Wow. Hmm.
Uh, it tends to be. It's planned to come out tomorrow. I think I should be able to get it done. I'll probably have to do some work tomorrow morning, but it should be done. I need to figure out why. I'm just gonna print a bunch of stuff. Wait, not task. What am I doing? Literally just see when this stuff prints. Okay. Got up to 6. So it's this. Why? Why would that take so long?
Huh? Huh? Hmm. Huh?
Okay, wait. Oops. I don't know why this is like this. Oh, I might know. Yeah. Should load quicker now, I think. Yep. And he's animated.
Huh? Huh? Hmm.
Oh, you can move him as well. I need to fix that.
Huh? Huh?
And to make that appear quicker, I think. Also, this is too long. Okay. Now I need to put the items on the UI. I also need a server-sided like saving thing to save what items you've brought and stuff. Okay. My bad. Okay. Um. Actually, yeah. gosh. Give item. Or attempt to give item. Okay. Cool.
Wow.
What am I gonna do after 1,000 subs? Sorry, I just saw your chat. I don't know how long ago you sent that, but I don't know. Nothing's really gonna change. I'm just gonna still upload the same stuff here and there. I do talk. Sorry, I've been kind of locked in. Um, I'm not the best streamer, bruh. I don't do this often. I've only recently started doing this, but yeah, I do talk. Anyways, after 1,000 subs, I don't know. Nothing's really gonna change. Still gonna just upload like programming videos here and there, and like stream game development here and there, and all that. I don't know. It's cool though. If I hit it. Ugh. Man, I'm getting tired. This is not good. Okay. Anyways, maybe I could like commentate over what I'm doing. I'm kind of just making a dialogue thing. I don't really know what to talk about or say. What do you mean, do I type whatever I want? What does that mean? Or did you mean, do you, comma, type whatever you want? Or, I don't know. What? I'm confused. Okay. Okay. I have no idea if this will work, to be honest. Just on the buy, I don't want to do that. Just on the other things. Like this. Okay. Let's see what this looks like right now. Oops.
Hi. Hi. Huh?
guess, yeah, I wouldn't want this to replay like that. Okay. Okay, cool. I need to sort them though. So I can just take from this, go up here. If product. There we go. And I'll move this down here. Okay, now basically all I need to do is make the server side for it. Okay. Let's just take one of these. Christmas Quest service. This handles functionality. What's up, Time Fast? Appreciate that. You like the vids? They good? Kind of just yap about random topics, to be honest. But I think they're alright. Started streaming to kind of prove I know what I'm talking about, I guess. People can watch me do this live. I'm not just yapping. Well, I do kind of yap, but yeah. It's not just yapping. We'll call it this. Guess I could do this. Yeah. Or yeah. What game is this for? It's a game called Pawn It that I made. It's a steal a brain rot type game. Like customers come down the middle with items, then you grab them, they come over. Yeah, I could just show you. Hold on. So like spawn in, right? Customers come down the middle, right? You get someone, grab him, he walks over, and then the difference from steal a brain rot is like when you talk to him, you have a chance. This guy's like an uncommon, so it's a high chance, 90%, right? But you have a chance for like a better deal, so like I only have to pay 20k as compared to 25k, whatever. So like we could take the chance. It worked, right? And then that one actually spawned up here because the shelves down there are full. But then it gains value, as you can see, over time. And then at any point, you can just grab it and bring it over to this guy. You can also just press this button, it teleports you. But bring it over to this guy and then sell it. And then you can, again, bargain, potentially, right? Take the chance. Let's say we take the chance. Oh, it didn't work out, actually. 77% chance. That's unlucky. But then we're banned from the shop for 30 seconds. That's like the, you know, punishment for, I want to say, maybe punishment is not the right word, but like, you know, the bargain didn't work out. But after 30 seconds, you know, you'll be able to do it again. So like we get another one as well. Like one of these legendaries. Bring it over, you know. So bring one of these over. That's a 55% chance. We'll just do the regular one, right? Sell, get the money, right? I like to say it's like a combination of steal a brain rot and grow a garden, because like grow a garden is like items gain value over time in a way, right? Which is this whole aspect and having to bring the item to the shopkeeper, right? Whereas steal a brain rot, they gain value, but like you just get the money. You don't have to sell it for the money, right? But anyways, yeah, that's this game. And then it's got like gears and stuff that you can get like over here, right? And all that. I hope I explained that well. But that's what I'm working on right now. I'm doing a Christmas update for it. And I'm doing the Christmas quest. If you haven't talked to the Christmas NPC, or talking always enabled, then yeah, thank you. Okay, yeah. We'll go here. Use this observe attribute. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. And watching the videos, of course. I got a game that I kind of finished up and wanted something Christmas, but got too much going on right now. Yeah, that's how it be sometimes. I'm lucky, cause this is kind of like my full-time job in a way. So it's all I have time for, basically. Yeah. I will say I'm kind of late to it, you know. It's kind of dying down now. If I got in sooner, it would have been nicer. And I don't know how well this game is like. I don't know if this will stick. The analytics have been like questionable. They're not the worst, but they're not the best. So I don't know how well it'll. Like it's out, but I don't know. I don't know if it'll stick. You know. But we'll see. Yeah, I don't see. I never planned for like Roblox to be full time, but like I want game development to be full time. Like the plan is like move off Roblox at some point, especially dude, with the amount of controversies Roblox has. I want to get off the platform as soon as possible, to be honest with you. Um, but yeah, just gotta like get a little more success with Roblox, stable income, all that. And then once I have that, move to like Unreal Engine, make a Steam game, all that. And it's happened before with Roblox devs. Like Lethal Company was made by a Roblox dev. There's another game. I think Repo. No, I don't think it was Repo. There's another game that was also made by a Roblox dev. I don't remember what though. But yeah, happens all the time. Roblox devs moves to Steam. Anyways, talk to Christmas NPC. Oh wait. I guess. Yeah, Unturned was a Roblox dev as well. It's kind of interesting because like it's similar to APOC in a way, right? Which is a Roblox game, but it's not made by the APOC dude. Um, but it's just interesting. Yeah, depends on the game to be honest. I got a few game ideas. I kind of want to like get away from brain rot and low effort. I feel like it's not really working for me because it's kind of hard to market, right? Like how do you like I can't really make a I can't post this on TikTok and build hype. I don't know. Cuz it's so like brain rotted, right? And it's like obviously, kind of a stolen concept. Like it has its own twist on it, but like the concept is, kind of copied. So it's hard to like market it. You kind of just have to go off Roblox ads, and that's risky and doesn't always work well and stuff. So I want to get out of like the low effort brain rot type of games, and I'm doing that with my next game, which I'm not gonna talk about because it's kind of like a secret. But yeah, basically like from now on, just all the games I release, I'm going high effort. You know, it's gonna be stuff that I can, post trailers of on YouTube or post TikToks of or post on Twitter and like feel comfortable with it, I guess. Um, and all original ideas as well. So yeah. Okay. Service. Give attempt redeem quest. Use inventory service for this. Is that what I use? Inventory data loaded? Yeah. I like to get into making those kind of new simulator type games like the Forge and all that. Yeah. I wouldn't really call that a simulator. I mean, I guess you're simulating like fish, you're simulating fishing, so I guess you could call that a simulator, but I wouldn't really call it a simulator. I would call it more like a MMORPG in a way. Like it's an open world MMO. Um, open world RPG. But Forge is really cool. Dude, Forge is so similar to a game idea I had as well. Just minus the forging aspect, but like everything else with the game is kind of crazy. The mining, the mobs, all that. Maybe I'll still make that game at some point, but yeah, it's kind of funny. Oh wait, I need player as well. Duh. Um, yeah. Oh, and then gets this. Christmas quest items. Oh wait, no. I don't need to do this. Since I'm using this inventory. Okay. Um oh my gosh. Okay. I just need to remove the product and save the data. Yeah. You wanted to remake Guns the Duel as well? I'm not sure what that is. Guns the Duel? ...2004 game? Bro, that might be slightly too old for me. I was born in 2003. So you're in school, so you're probably younger than me. So how do you know this game? That's crazy. Okay. We'll do that, and then update the inventory. Inventory service, add item, Christmas quest items. Product.name. I don't need all this stuff. What I can do is vacation, right? Let me just copy this. You gave that item. Cool. College last year. Are you like 21, 22? I'm 22. Oh, born '02, so like 23. Unless your birthday's like in the next 20 days, I guess you could be 22. But that's cool though. Yeah. Oh yeah, I would need to get all the Christmas items here. Okay, wait. There we go. And then redeem there. Actually, which I think could just be, if not inventory, find item, player gears, snowball launcher. There we go. Cool. And then cool. I think that should work. I think. So then here, not here. Here. We need get function. There we go. Dude, typing fast is so useful for programming, bruh. I'm so glad I type fast. Bro, it's insane how much time I save through it. Um, yeah. Christmas quest service, attempt to redeem quest, and then, oh yeah, if the quest fails to redeem, I should notify of that. Like, you have not given all the required items. There we go. And then up here, attempt give item. Christmas quest service. Attempt give item. Automatically sends players, so just the product name, which is just product.name. Cool. Cool. Cooking. And then I just need to update the given items, which I can do with inventory service. Which I think I get on the client anyways. Yeah, I do. Fire. That's huge. All the way down here. Nope, I lied. Up here. Inventory data. Which is equipped inventories. Here. Whoops. Let me put this up here. Nah, we'll put it here. Okay. And then timestamp. If if okay. Okay, did that there, and then I need to do it when inventory on inventory changed, or inventory changed, I think. Yeah. Okay. If inventory name does equal Christmas quest items, then cool. I think that should all work. I hope so, at least. Wait, I realized something that I still need to do. Also, I need to update this middle image. Oh, we got warnings. Claim new out is not a valid member. Oh, because I have to do dot text. And then also update loading icon. And then also have to do Okay. And then loading icon. I believe is this? Oh, I don't have the actual icon right now. You know what? We'll do this for now. And then, okay, it's set to crop anyways. Cool. I wonder how that'll look. Guess we're about to see. Okay. And it's blurry. I should change it. But for now, you know, that's it. Okay. Thank you. I take pride in organization and cleanliness. Okay. What's going on here? Oh. Wrong function name. No, but seriously, thank you. I take pride in like the organization and cleanliness of my code. I try to keep it fairly readable. It's so funny as well because I hate working with other programmers. Not like that I'm like I do like that they're bad, but like I just prefer to work alone because I'm very specific with the way I do everything and all that. And if anyone even does something slightly different, even if it's not wrong, it just like annoys me because I'm like, no, I want to do it this way specifically. So I just work alone, and then even then I make everything readable, even though I'm the only one that reads it. Like, it's not like it has to be readable for someone else. But yeah. Thank you. Okay, that should be good. Okay, I need to make the notification thing like above this UI in layout and stuff. Hold on, wait, I have coal. I can test that to see if... Actually, let me do the notification thing first. If this works properly, I think I'm gonna end stream. It's late. It's almost 11 p.m. I gotta sleep and stuff. But tomorrow, probably like in the morning, I'm gonna stream. Basically, for a while. This update's supposed to release at 7 p.m. EST tomorrow. I think I can do it. I think I can get it done. Because other than this quest, right, this is this right here. This should be really easy. This should be really easy. This should be really easy. But even then, all three of these aren't necessary for this update. This is the only one that's necessary. And I should be able to do this within, you know, a couple hours. Yeah, this game is Steel of Brainrot style. But yeah, I should be able to get this update done in time. I think I'll get on, you know, start working at like 9 or 10 a.m. tomorrow. Should take like 5 hours max to get all this done. And even then, that's giving a lot of room. So yeah, if I start at 10 a.m. tomorrow, 5 hours, I'll have it done by 3. And then like, you know, 3 or 4 hours to spare. Plenty of time. I'm so bad at this, by the way. At like waiting until the last minute for this stuff. Anyways, notification. That is right here. Good, just basically make display order 100, and then might as well do like layout order like 1,000, and then Zindex like 1,000. Just everything. Make it really high so it's above everything. But yeah, I should be fine. I should be fine. Literally, the only necessity is gears, which most of the code is done by Roblox anyways, even though Roblox gear code is atrocious. But, yeah. Oh, this doesn't go away, I just realized that. W. I might want to make this more like bold. I'm not gonna lie. Which is easy. Just do that. That should be good enough. Yeah, right here. Just got a little. I think just this, right? Yeah, just this. Is there any other sounds I could do for this one? Maybe thinking? Sure. I think thinking could work for this. By the way, the work at a pizza place sounds are so peak, and they're all like free to use. Like they're all just on the audio marketplace, and they're so good for this game. Like, dude, listen. When I go over here, hold on. Let me turn the sound up a little bit. But listen, when I go over here, it's so peak. Hi. Like, I love it, bruh. And then you go over here, talk to this dude. Okay, well this isn't supposed to show up for that. Peak! Oh my gosh. Why is this getting enabled on Who Are You? That's not supposed to happen. Oh, it's because of this. I think. Dude, it's so peak though. Anyways. Let's go back. But yeah. And then yeah. You're not holding that item. Fire. However, if I go get the coal and bring it over to him. I don't know how I feel about the quest being all the way. I guess it should be fine. Because it's kind of fair anyways. Like, people over here have to walk all the way over to the shop. Well, I guess you could just press this. Maybe this should be like in the middle. Like here. Or something. Maybe we'll move it tomorrow. Last second. W took the item from me. It still thinks I'm holding an item, which I can fix. But nonetheless, 1 out of 9. Peak. I know why it thinks I'm holding an item though. That's easy. At least I know where to find how to fix it. Let's just go to sell product. Yeah, right here, basically. I need this. I guess that product got sold to true as well, just in case for this. But yeah, need to get utils and starter player. And then product sold equals true. Fire. Okay. All that should be good. I can add a little check mark there. Maybe I don't add a check mark for update loading icon because it's not the right icon or whatever. But I think that's gonna be it for this stream. If you guys want to tune in tomorrow morning, you know, like I said, probably around 10, 11 a.m. I don't know. Basically up until the update, you guys can or you can't. You know, up to you. I don't. You know, it's whatever. I just do this because it's fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Have a good night, guys. See ya.